What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and look what I got. I got the Galaxy Buds Live. That's right. These just came out. Obviously, these are going to be featured with their new Note 20 phones, the Note 20 Ultra 5G, and also the regular Note 20 5G. Now, these are about 170 bucks. As we all know, the Galaxy Buds Plus are pretty good headphones at about 160, 150. Before that, they had the Galaxy Buds, which were pretty good. I wasn't a fan of either of those, but I thought they were good headphones. They just weren't my style. I like the Sony XM3s a little bit better. They sounded better. They had a little more features, although they were a little big and uncomfortable at times. But these look like they're gonna be a comfortable headphone. So let's go ahead and bust this up. Ooh, look out for the switchblade. Yes, sir. Get rid of that tape. And then let's open these bad boys up. Now, these come in 3 colors: Mystic Bronze, Mystic White, and Mystic Black. Now, I got the black just to, you know, look sleek and professional. Now, this case is very small compared to the Galaxy Buds case. Although the Galaxy Buds case was not that big, this is smaller. Very nice. Now, these are nice looking. Very nice. Now, they look like jelly beans. They look like kidney beans. They look like a lot of different things. They've been, a lot of people have been making fun of these because of the way they look. But they're very nice looking. They're very nice looking. So let's go ahead and take these out, as you see there. Now, what you're going to do is you're just going to place these in your ear, so you can see that on my camera, as you can see there. There we go. Need just the light a little bit, but these sit in here, so they kind of snap. So if you place them in here, you don't have to worry about them messing up or anything like that. Check this out. Yeah, these are interesting. The case is neat. Now, they say you get about 5-6 hours of playtime on these. If you don't use the active noise cancellation or Bixby on these, then you get about 8 hours. But these are the first wireless earbuds that Samsung has come out with that have ANC, or active noise cancellation. Obviously, the Sony XM3s have noise cancellation. Also, the Apple AirPod Pros that are just phenomenal. The noise cancellation on the Apple AirPods Pros are excellent. I don't know what they do, some kind of mojo, but it's great. So this has it. I'll let you guys know how it is. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram. I'll probably be checking them out, taking pictures, letting you know how they sound. Now, my favorite headphones are the Sony XM3s, although they are a little big and at times can be very uncomfortable. I think the ones that are the best for phone call quality are the AirPods 2 or the AirPods Pro. Now, the OnePlus Buds were pretty good when it came to just overall sound and comfort and price. I think that's probably the best bargain for 70 bucks, but these aren't bad for 170. And if they sound good and the microphone quality is really good, then you got yourself a winner. But yeah, these are not bad. Now, the rest of the stuff you get in the case, you obviously get the earbuds, you get a Type-C cable there, so you don't have to worry about that. And that's basically it. You get the earbuds with the Type-C cable, and you can call it a day, and you get the box. But I'm gonna check these out. Let me go see if I can go ahead and pair these up with my Pixel 4a. Let's see how we can pair these up so that we can get it going here. Let's try these bad boys out. Let's go ahead and pair a new device. There they are, Galaxy Buds Live. Let's go ahead and pair those up. Allow access, yes. Boom, 81% battery. And let's go ahead and try some música. Let's see here, see how these sound. Let's see if I can put these in my ears. Huh, they fit kind of nice. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, they seem pretty loud, but I don't know if it's because I'm doing a video. They're kind of neat, but yeah, they are pretty cool. I think they're comfortable. They have some noise cancellation. See, I'm not a big fan of noise cancellation. For me, I would rather hear what's around me, like with like AirPods or the OnePlus buds. They sound pretty good, man. The case is cool too, because you could put it right in your pocket, no issues there. You could pick these up for $169 on Samsung, and you're good to go. They feel nice in the ear. They're very comfortable, I will say that, and really, really nice. I like these. We got some Post Malone going right now. Not really bassy, but decent. Yeah, they're much more comfortable than AirPods, that's for sure. I like how you can take out AirPods or the OnePlus Buds or the Sonys. These you gotta kind of dig in your ear to get them out because they're like a little jelly bean. But that's gonna do it, man. Follow me on Twitter at Android Stud. Also on Instagram, Android Stud. The Galaxy Buds Live. Peace, party people.